Hi there, in this video I'm gonna explain you how to repair your Magneplanar speaker model SMG Magnepan, which goes bad after a long time of use and you don't want to get rid of it. And the repair is very easy and you don't need to have any special knowledges. All you need is this glue, which you can buy in stores. Then you need to get this fabric, which I used. I bought it from Swans for $3.60. One side is shiny, this side, let's say, and the back side is very good for gluing. It has a texture which is good for adhesive. Anyway, and also you're gonna need a soft brush which you have to use to clean up the surface. As you can see, this speaker is already repaired, and I'll just show you what to do with the brush. What you do, just clean up the dust very gently, alright, to make it easy to spray the glue, alright. After that, you get the glue, which I showed you before, and spray it like this. It sprays white space like this, and you go all the way to the down, okay? You have to be sure to do it the way it would cover all the surface of your speaker. And you can leave it. After half an hour it will be completely dry. But in most of the cases, what happens when the speaker goes bad, on the end of the edges where the wires are like these, they just unglue from the surface, and that is what creating all the noise you get when the speaker is producing sound. So, and how did I solve that problem? I solved the problem with this fabric, which I showed you before, which is very, very thin, and it's not going to harm anything in performance. But with this one, I was able to put back those wires. What I did, after the first time I sprayed the glue, then I sprayed another part of the screw, the glue over here, and I just applied this fabric on it. And after applying that, I sprayed another part of glue on it. And I left it again for half an hour to dry up. Also, I applied all around, as you can see, the same fabric with this length, just to make sure in the future it will not be cut off from the edges, all right? And also, if you have some other places when the wires are not in place, you could use some small pieces and fix those things. I mean, to stick them back to the surface of the speaker. And after doing all this stuff, as you can see, it is very easy to do, not rocket science. These speakers are working just perfectly, just unbelievable. And you will bring your speakers back to the life